So of course, our major awards, this is actually based on the result coming from the judges.
And based also sa performance ng ating mga candidates, syempre.
Thank you so much, Ms. Tracy Godoy, Miss Team Binoan 2023 first runner-up.
Our next award is the Best in Casual.
And the Best in Casual wear is going to be presented by Mr. James Lowen Donato. And the winner for the Best in Casual wear, congratulations once again, candidate number 32.
And for our Miss Teen, Best in Casual wear is once again candidate number 14. Congratulations! We're back in the award of Best in Casual Wear. Our next award.
Of course, we are still tabulating the result for the Miss Teen Best in Evening Gown. So again, this is our major awards, Best in Production and Best in Casual Wear. Number 32 and number 14. Ayan, so after this, we are going to announce our top 12. Again, top 12 kasi po yung 3 ay nauna na for the talent, the Best in Talent winners.
Sino sa tingin nyo ang ating Best Informal para sa ating mga Mr. Teen? Come on guys, sino sa tingin nyo? We have number 25.
Number 11.
Number 11, number 8.
31.
31.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Pasensya na po, wala akong salamin.
How about sa ating Best in Evening Gown for our Miss Teen?
Yeah, Miss Teen Best in Evening Gown. 8.
Number 4. Number 3.
1 na babae daw, ayun.
Tingnan natin. Grabe. Siyempre po, we would like to say thank you once again sa lahat ng mga supporters ng ating 67 candidates tonight. Maraming salamat po. At sana, huwag niyo silang iwan hanggang sa huli ngayong gabi ito. So samahan natin sila sa kailang journey, sa kailang Mr. and Miss Teen.
And meron po kaming request to everyone. Ito po laging request namin, the MJ during question and answer. That during the time na sasagot po ang mga candidates natin, let's all be quiet so that they can focus on answering the questions na ibibigay po natin sa mga candidates natin. And of course, talagang susukatin nito MJ yung kanilang wit and intelligence dahil yung ating questions are actually impromptu.
Yes, and that's the only time or the last time that they will tawag ito, patunayan, no? So ating mga hurado na sila ang karapat dapat koronahan ngayong gabi. Alright? So to all our candidates, prepare yourself for the question and answer portion. We will read it 10 times for you to
Oo, 5 times English, 5 times Filipino.
for you to understand.
Yeah.
Because you know we have a lot of critics tonight na manonood.
Yeah. And alam niyo, during the question and answer, they are not required to answer the question in English or whatsoever.
Yes, in Tagalog,
Pwede in Tagalog.
Chinese,
Yes.
Mandarin.
Pag kailangan ng interpreter, nandiyan naman si Direk Baba, of course, to assist us.
And of course, partner, we would like also to thank all the parents of our candidates. So guys, palakpakan nyo naman ang inyong mga parents supporting sa inyong lahat.
And syempre MJ, isang malakas na palakpak din sa lahat ng mga handlers and makeup artists. Maraming salamat po. And speaking of handlers, MJ, mamaya we are going to announce this year's Best Handler.
Wow! Last year, it was, I think, Yan Francisco, ano?
And Monching ata.
Yes, they
Ate
won the
Monch.
best handler.
Right, and again, special thanks sa Mami Eboy Visande. Kating-kating na akong sabihin yung ano namin sa'yo, kasi baka di mo na kami gawa ng outfit. So, Mami Eboy, thank you so much.
Okay na, heto na ang ating resulta.
O, nakita niyo naman po sa lahat ng audience natin na yun po yung mga tabulators natin.
Yes.
They are really computing well the results. No
And we
question
would like
about
to simply remind everyone that the judge's decision is final.
Oo, kasi being
And
very high.
non-available.
True. Because it's being signed by our panel of judges.
At syempre lahat naman ng ating mga contestants tonight ay deserve makapasok sa ating top 15 na just lang meron talaga syempre kung sinong swerte, if it is your lucky night.
Yeah. If the stars align for you, kahit anong mangyari, you will win the title.
It's coming from the veteran, no, beauty queen.
And my mentor, of course.
Joshua. Kasi ito beauty queen, ilang beses nag-title.
Ayan po, si MJ po yung mentor ko pag-host, saka si Georgie. Matatanda na po sila.
Hi, Georgie is here. Okay, pinapa-invite po kayo ni Sir Ryan at ni Ate Georgie on October 31. Please po, yung mga manalong Mr. and Miss Teen, pwede kayong umattend doon, okay? Kayo ang manakot. Tingnan natin kung manakot, kung matakot sa ganda at kagwapuhan nyo. October 31, 3 p.m. po ang registration sa BRCC. Magkita-kita po tayo lahat. And of course, please support the Binangonan Got Talent 3rd edition. Ayan po. The next elimination round will be next week, November 9. Ayan po. Magkita na tayo in Aristown Plaza, 7 p.m. This is the singing and dance competition.
Ayan, Binangonan Got Talent 3rd edition.
Yes, so makita ka. And the grand final night of Binangonan Got Talent 3rd edition will be on November 30, live
Sa
at the
Binangonan.
Inares Sound Plaza.
Binangonan. And the winner, I think for singing contest will receive, tama ba? 20,000 pesos po.
And the group dancers will receive 40,000 pesos. So kung kayo po ay magaling sumayaw, time nyo na po para magbuo ng inyong mga grupo ng dancers.
And ito po actually exclusive sa mga taga-Binangonan lamang.
Yeah, malapit na nating malaman kung sino ang ating mga pasok sa ating town.
Alright, Halloween free admission.
So libre, wala po kayong babayaran on October 31.
Ayan.
We can invite all the candidates, no? Ayan, suot nyo.
Oh, pwede kayo suot yan.
Pare-parehas.
Yung outfit nyo. Yan, of course. Again, muli po for the last time, we would like to say thank you to our sponsors. Ayan, sa ating mga very generous sponsors. Oo. Ayan, so again, ito po ay part, of course, ng ating coronation night. There you have it. Right, of course, now MJ, before we announce our top 15 and the winner for the best informal wear, we would like to invite the CEO of PHR Events Management to present our Best Handler Award. So tita, how many awardees tayo? Dalawa this year again. 5 ang Best Handler natin.
Next year, mag-handle na din ako. Baka ma-award na ako ng Best Handler. Hindi ako nakaka-award sa host. 18 years na ako nag-host. Oh, 20 years na ako nag-host. Wala pa rin ako award. Tita Noel, bigyan mo naman ako sa 20 years edition.
Nasa likod. Ayun. Alright, so of
Alright.
course, meron po tayong 5 outstanding handlers na talaga ng mga napakasipag, molding the skills and talents of our
And
candidates.
grabe yung dedicated
The
nila
dedication.
sa kanilang alaga.
MJ, ikaw mag-announce na.
Alright, the Republic of the Philippines Province of Rizal Municipality ng mga Binangonan Pageant and Group Entertainment of Rizal Award of Recognition is awarded to Jesus Salinas as Best Handler. Given his 26th day of October 2024 at Casimiro M. Inares. Signed! Oh my God! By the MMTV 2024 choreographer Miss Diana Magnayon Dulana Fadrigalan. And Miss Mama Virgin, of course, the director and the PHR Events Management President, Honorable Noel D.S. Oliva. Panapakan naman po natin ang nag-iisang Lovi po. Hindi niya alam na a-awardan siya,
Oo,
naka-short na.
on the spot po ito actually. Hindi po alam ng mga handlers. So our second best handler, congratulations, Ryan Carino!
Ang Barangay Makamon!
Yes, from Barangay Makamot.
Si Miss Katja Santos naman po.
You are also part of our best handler. At ito talaga deserve na deserve to. Miss Monch Gillian. Ayan, Ate Monch, congratulations!
Ay, ang taray naman. Pinagas.
Pero, so alam mo nga awardan ka.
Si Miss Katja Santos.
Alright.
So yan, dapat pala ganyan naka-makeup ka rin.
Naloka tuloy si Jesus.
And of course, ang iniidolo nating lahat pagdating sa pagmamahal, Miss Monch.
Ang kaibigan po namin walang sawang magmahal. Ate Monch, congratulations. Of course,
Our next, syempre, from Mabuhay Homes, Frankie Bagangan Madriano.
so si Frankie ang tinawag mo. At tatawagin ko naman right now, the brother, the sister, the brother, Aya Bagagan Matriano. Ayan, nasa na si Fu? Ayan, congratulations. Nasaan ba si Fu? Ano ba yung pa-importante?
So once again, palapakan naman po natin ang this year's Best Handler.
Right, and of course, we would also like to present this plaque of appreciation for giving his full support generously for Barangay Tatala candidates sa Mr. and Miss Team Binangonan. Ito yung barangay na talagang all-out ang support sa mga candidates mula sa barangay nila na never na-stress, of course, to comply dun sa mga requirements natin. We would like to invite on stage Honorable Lander Tref Ulang.
Of course, the SK Chairman of Barangay Tatala. 100% support po ang binigay niya sa lahat ng mga candidates ng Barangay Tatala. So thank you so much, SK Dranrev. And this time we're going to give the plaque of appreciation, syempre, to our official designer, the one and only
Yes.
Eboy Bea Bizande.
Again, congratulations, Mommy Eboy. Ayan, lahat po kami nagdaan, just to inform everyone, lahat po ng sinusuot namin right now is courtesy of Eboy Bizande. And lahat po kami, since during those days sa mga batang Becky kami, dumaan kami lahat sa kamay ni Bea Go, ay ni Ate Eboy Bizande, ganyan na po siya katanda. Ayan, congratulations, Ate Eboy.
And of course, we would like also to thank our Sash provider. Oh, ang ganda. Palakpakan naman po natin for the beautiful sash ng ating mga candidates, yung ating mga special awards. And of course, kay Sir Heelys, tama ba? The crown na provider natin this year is maraming salamat.
And of course, just to inform kung bakit medyo matagal po yung pag-check ng score, sina-check po siya twice. So una po dadaan ng score sa ating accountant, kay Sir Josh. After that, i-verify po ni Sir Sam yung score for the second time. Kaya medyo matagal po siya. So of course, again, this is actually to assure na ang scores po ng judges well tabulated.
Alright, so we will give time to all of our candidates, syempre, to take some rest sa backstage, and when you go back, we are going to announce the remaining 12 finalists. So sige po, magpahinga po muna. Palakpakan ulit natin ang ating mga Mr. and Miss Teen Binangonan, because at this point in time, we have meron tayong pakulot this year, di ba? Since we are celebrating 15 years of Mr. and Miss Teen Binangonan.
Hiningal kami doon. Madam Stoneheart. Hi. Again, double tabulation to. One from the accountant and one from our professor from URS Binangonan. Right, so since 15 years po ng Mr. and Miss Teen Binangonan, ayan, we are going to acknowledge and give recognition sa mga manonood po natin na nagbigay ng effort to look stunning tonight.
Alright, so tawagin natin ang ating mga
Candidates.
Oo, mga candidates din, no? Yung mga naghanda ngayong gabi sa kanilang look outfit. So, I think nasa backstage na. We will give them a time.
Oo.
Siyempre na rumampa naman.
Yes.
Dahil medyo maaga pa naman tayo kasi hanggang 4 a.m. po talaga tayo dito sa...
Yung reservation po hanggang 4 a.m.
So, another 65,000 ang bawa. Joke. Alright, I think ready na ang ating mga nagkakandahan na mga contestant for our red carpet of Mr. and Miss Teen Binangonan 2024.
Ladies and gentlemen, our candidates for the star of the night. Music.
Beginning with candidate number 1.